peeking in here on me. Oh my goodness gracious, what the? Ain't nobody in the other room.
Tidak banyak informasi diketahui dari video ini. Namun pada video ini nampak beberapa orang yang sepertinya dari Timur Tengah sedang berada dalam suatu bangunan yang gelap. Dan tidak lama dari itu, hal ini tertangkap kameranya.
Bir anda böyle sola doğru, sol tarafa doğru siyah üstünde orada çaklan bakıyoruz. Tamam. Camı açtık. Tamam. Kapadı. Orası bana doğru döndü. Bir anda böyle
Allah'ım nasıl oluyor? Nasıl ya?
hayvan.
Onur. Onur gel.
Allah ya.
Gel odada. Gel. Bak.
La ilahe illallah. Şükür abi. Şükür abi.
Allah'ım ekber. Gel abi.
Allah'ım yarabbim. Bak ben senin elim siyah yine geçti.
Setelah berkeliling di bangunan itu, tepat ketika dia mengarahkan kameranya ke suatu ruangan, terlihat sosok gelap dengan mata menyala ini hanya berdiri diam di ruangan itu. Pria itu pun terdiam begitu saja sambil mengarahkan kameranya ke sosok itu. Seakan-akan terpana akan apa yang dia lihat. Tapi, menurut kalian, makhluk apa itu sebenarnya? Apakah itu sosok asli penunggu bangunan tersebut? Atau itu hanya adegan settingan saja? Video ini berasal dari seorang wanita. Pada suatu malam, dia mengalami hal mengerikan. Dan sosok misterius ini pun muncul di depannya. Dia dengan segera merekam sosok tersebut.
It's back. It keeps peeking in here on me. Oh my goodness gracious, what the? Ain't nobody in the other room.
Terlihat sosok muka dari suatu makhluk yang tampak memiliki kulit gelap dan mata menyala. Sosok itu pun nampak memiliki badan yang pendek, terlihat dari video ini yang mengintip dari bagian bawah pintu rumah tersebut. Sosok ini pun terlihat sedang memperhatikan wanita itu. Wanita itu pun heran dengan sosok itu dan mulai merekamnya. Jadi, menurut kalian, sosok apakah itu? Mungkinkah video ini merupakan adegan rekayasa wanita itu? Tulis pendapat kalian di komentar. Video ini berasal dari salah satu YouTuber pemburu hantu yang memutuskan untuk mengunjungi suatu bangunan yang konon angker menurut warga sekitar. Dan hal ini pun terjadi kepadanya.
Adem abi. Üstte bir şey var. Sen var ya. Allahu ekber. Yak mum çabuk yak.
Euzubillahimineşşeytanirracim. Düşeni gördün mü bayram?
Üstte bir şey düştü.
Allahu ekber.
Çabuk, hemen ses çıkar.
Ya Muhammed, ya Muhammed.
Ne oluyor?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yaktım gel.
Bunu alacağım içeri ben.
Gel. Abi hızlı çık işte hızlı çık.
Bayram.
Di saat mereka sedang berada di ruang bawah tanah, terdengar suara langkah kaki yang keras dari lantai atasnya. Mereka pun keluar untuk mengeceknya, dan terlihat sosok hitam berjalan di lantai 1 bangunan tersebut, sebelum sosok itu menghilang begitu saja tanpa jejak. Jadi, menurut kalian, sosok hitam apa itu? Apakah mungkin itu hanya orang biasa yang menempati bangunan itu? Pada video ini, terdapat dua pemburu hantu yang sedang ditantang untuk mendatangi suatu hutan yang terkenal angker oleh penontonnya. Mereka pun ke sana untuk membuktikannya, dan hal ini terjadi kepada mereka.
Yeah. Plus, it's kind of a relief. Like, usually we're in the middle of nowhere. To be on a nature trail.
Yeah,
It's kinda nice.
It is pretty rural over here, though.
Yeah.
There was one point that we were just walking along the trails and the paths, and we heard this really loud, like, shriek.
The only thing that makes it not rural is the canal, because the canal opens up, it's not just trees, but then
That was weird.
yeah.
To me, it sounded like a large bird of some sort. The only thing that could have made that type of noise, but we're talking like this was loud.
The only thing that makes it not rural is the canal, because the canal opens up, it's not just trees, but then
That was weird.
yeah.
Ketika mereka di tengah hutan, terdengar suara teriakan yang samar, cukup kencang. Mereka pun sadar dan bingung akan suara itu. Tidak mendapatkan penjelasan akan suara teriakan itu. Mereka pun melanjutkan perjalanannya.
If we use the Ouija board, you would give us some kind of communication. Can you give us a sign? What is that? Really?
Dude.
It's not all the time that we feel the planchette move on the Ouija board. That's one thing that you guys have got to understand. We have probably hit, I don't know, what would you say, 30, 40, maybe? 40 locations already this season, and maybe 5 of them made it to the channel, but none of them had movement on the actual board until this location.
Oh, it's going to yes?
Dude, you can see I'm not even barely touching.
Sam. Like, my fingers aren't even in the position to go there. Wow. Yes.
This is hot.
I'm surprised because I wasn't really expecting anything out here. How many women did you actually kill here?
Dude,
Where's it going?
dude.
Bro,
What the
stopped on 3.
bro?
What the
Bro, I am literally barely touching this thing.
Sam, where's it going? 0? 30? 30
I have
even?
never touched.
It's still moving. 30
I
even?
still have my fingers on it.
I know, it's like I'm having to intertwine my
I don't know
fingers
what it
around.
said or where it was at. I'm blown
I
away
think
right
more
now.
than 30. R?
Dude, I'm literally like,
Yeah, I'm creeped out. What is that over there? What's that end one? H? Is that H?
it was you.
R U? D? Rude? R-U-D-E? That's rude. Are you calling us rude? Because we're doing this. I'm so weirded out right now.
Like, I'm turning my hands upside down.
Oh yeah, I could do the same thing. I'm so fucking weirded out right now. What was that? It just gave us a number and called us rude. I think we should go to goodbye. Is there any other message you would like to give us before we go? This is your last opportunity. Wait, no, stop it. It's trying to go off the board. Go back, go to goodbye.
Then it tried to move it off the board towards the tree, and to be honest with you, I don't know what any of that means. That's why I don't with this thing. Like, I don't know what any of it means. I don't know what any of it was trying to do, or if it was trying to pull us to the tree during a second to send some sort of weird energy or let something. I have no idea.
It was trying to move it off the board, dude. That's not good. I've never had that happen, but that's not good, I'm pretty sure. It was going towards the tree, though. Whoever just lit that up green, are you the spirit of...
Both of us, I'm sure he sat with it a lot longer than I did, but I felt like all we did for 1 hour was just rewind, and try to make sense of this 6 to 8 second clip that we captured.
Go to the other side. Whoever just lit that up green, are you the spirit of... Whoever just lit that up green, are you the spirit of...
I have watched this footage at least 100 times now. I don't know what it is that was back in the woods. I have no idea.
Setelah mereka memainkan papan Ouija board, terlihat sosok mata menyala dari balik pohon di belakang mereka. Mereka pun pada saat itu tidak menyadari sosok tersebut. Barulah mereka menyadari ketika mereka melihat tayangan ulangnya. Mereka juga mengakui tidak mengetahui sebenarnya sosok apa itu, mengingat mereka kesana hanya berdua. Tidak ada lagi orang selain mereka. Jadi, sosok apa itu sebenarnya? Apakah mungkin itu sosok yang terpanggil di saat pria itu memainkan Ouija board? Wanita ini membagikan hal mengerikan di saat dia merekam suatu rumah yang terlihat tua. Berikut videonya.
Someone told me that it's the Murphy house. I don't know who the Murphys were, but I don't think they've lived here for a while because it looks pretty deserted. But it must have been gorgeous in its stay. It's absolutely, I could just imagine walking around here in some fancy dress or something, and just amazing. It's just...
Terlihat sosok seperti muka pucat mengintip dari balik jendela lantai atas rumah tersebut. Wanita itu tidak mengetahui pada saat itu. Namun, salah satu orang yang berkomentar memberitahu keberadaan sosok itu. Dia pun bingung sebenarnya sosok apa itu. Padahal dia mengaku tidak melihat siapa-siapa pada saat itu. Jadi, mungkinkah itu arwah penunggu dari bangunan tersebut?